dive into a world of creativity and wonder. Imagine an art exhibition like no other, where the canvas is the ocean itself. In an incredible collaboration between the government of South Bolaang, Mongondow, Regency and Indosat Ooredoo, history was made on April 20, 2017 at Molibagu Beach, Indonesia. They hosted the Asia Book of Records event for the underwater photo exhibition with the largest number of participants. A breathtaking 81 works of art submerged beneath the crystal clear waters of Tomini Bay, North Sulawesi. It was more than an exhibition. It was a celebration of creativity and a deep appreciation for the beauty of our oceans. The government of South Bolaang, Mongondow, Regency and Indosat Ooredoo showed us that art has no boundaries, not even the ocean floor.
Beep.